Tá gach duine súil go mór leis tá an peil namáin ag foiin níos láidir gach bliain, so tá sé an tábhachtach láil mar seo bheith agan. Féigeann rá sé an bblion scáte ní raibh mór an idir na foireann, tá gach foireann iontach.
I think we're going to have a lot of very evenly matched contests out there, and it's going to be really hard to call who is going to be collecting the cups on August the 3rd.
Ba tugann muid ordan go Spórt na mBan agus go Feil na mBan agus is an Craobh dhéanann TG4 na cluichí tugann sé stádas gon cluiche agus tugann sé daoine óga dro cluiche freisin atá Harbh tábhachtach go bhfeiceann muid cáilíní óga ar fud na tíre i gimmert Peile ag leibhéil club agus bhfuil deise go bheith seo barc prócaí lácins agus bheith ag gimmert Craobh na hÉireann.
Every team is hugely competitive, and it all depends on the day. I think Munster Championship for us was clearly very competitive, so I think Waterford, Kerry, everyone tip, everyone's really, really strong going forward.
What a year we had, and we were in the same boat last year as we are this year, in the sense that we had a really disappointing league campaign going into Championship, and no one really had any hopes for us, but it was our superpower, been underestimated, and hopefully it'll be our superpower now going into the Senior Championship.
We were able to get out of our group, got over a quarter-final, which we haven't in a few years, but we were disappointed not to perform to the best we could in the semi-final, so it would be brilliant to have an opportunity to try and rectify that, but very much aware that there's a long way to go. We have a really tough group ahead of us, but hopefully it's just about putting in consistent performances and just taking it a game at a time.
It's hard to pick out everyone in the Senior Championship is a really, really tough opponent, but obviously you're going to look at like last year's winners. Kerry and Armagh were really good in the league. You have Galway, who came up from Division 2 and were really strong last year, so I think it's all to play for any team in that Senior Championship.
Ag féachaint ar na cluichí atá thart ceapan go mbeidh Aintrum agus Limnach nó b'fhéidir an Lúd beidh siad anna láidre. Tá muid ag súil leis an Craobh síos ag ceannig, tá muid ag súil le níos mó taithí, níos mó cluiche, níos mó peile immert sin é.
Last year we got to the quarter-final. This year we'll be hoping to get back there at least and hopefully progress on. We've a tough group with Dublin and Leitrim, so it's about getting a win or two there to get us into the quarter-final, and then we'll take it from there.